Gianluca Novel from Friuli Venezia-Giulia Film Commission.
And why is it important for Friuli Venezia-Giulia Film Commission to be here today?
I think it's fundamental. It's really important because it's for us it's an opportunity to meet people, to develop new network and projects, and so to try to catch in our region new movies, new documentaries, and this is the place. Record in terms of productions. We have starting from next week some new Italian production from movie theaters and other from TV sets, and probably we close this year with a new record of production.
Can you tell us a little bit about Friuli Venezia-Giulia and its movie market? What's happening?
TV series that are set in the north of the region, Udine, and also the mountains. But I can see more.
Giulia is so attractive to the movie sets.
Oh, one of there are, in my opinion, two secrets. One is that you can reach from the sea to the mountains with a 1 hour of car by car, 1 hour and a half. So you have a lot of different locations in short distances. And the other reason is that we have technicians and services. We are in the industry since 2000. But some very special regarding the American market and Hollywood movies.